Today, I will show you how to create free letter manipulation with the help of AI. Before we jump into the tutorial, I want to share something. That we are on a mission of 100k subscribers to complete our dream. Sadly, only 3% of you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Please, if you haven't, then subscribe to our YouTube channel to complete our dream. Your support means a lot for us. Now let's get started with the video. Open your web browser and search for bing.com. Click on the image, then click on create. Simply here, I will paste my prompt. Even I will give the prompt in the description below. After that, click on create. Let's wait for the magical result. Now preview it. If you love it, simply download it from here. Now let's try another country. Change the letter and the country name in the prompt. Hit create. Wait for the magical result again. Cool, let's check it out. If you like, then download it. Well, I need to share an important thing. Many of you don't have the latest version of Photoshop Beta with free AI of generative fill. If you want to get it, I will give the tutorial link in the I button in the top right corner as well as in the description below. Let's get back to the video again. This time, I will try my favorite countries. Change the letter and the country name. Hit enter or create. Let's check it out. If you like it, simply download it. Now try the Philippines. Hit create. Wait for it to load. Preview it and simply download it. If you have learned something, kindly like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.